you've got this powerful ERP system, but sometimes it needs a little tweaking to really fit your specific workflow.
Right, and that's where custom screens come in, right? I mean, that's what we're diving into today, the power of Acumatica customization and how it can really streamline your business process.
Exactly.
And to help us understand this better, we have an expert, senior software engineer at Tiana Solutions, with this seriously impressive track record. She's tackled over 250 unique Acumatica customization projects in just 2 years.
Wow, that's a lot of experience.
Yeah, over 250.
Yeah, that's really valuable when you're dealing with the complexities of ERP customization for sure.
Absolutely. So let's dive into a real-world example. One of Tiana's clients needed a custom screen that displayed sales order information in a very specific way. Imagine trying to see a customer's sales orders, the individual items on those orders, and calculated totals all on a single screen, updating in real time.
Right.
Sounds pretty complicated.
It can be. It definitely can be. Yeah, you need a deep understanding of how Acumatica's interface is structured, how to manipulate the different components.
Yeah, the client wanted 2 horizontal splits and 2 vertical splits on the screen, combining forms and grids to show all this data. Making all those elements interact seamlessly, updating based on what the user selects. That's the real challenge, right?
Yeah, it's like you're trying to choreograph a dance, making sure everything moves together in sync.
I like that analogy. Very complex dance.
Definitely complex. That's where the ASPX code comes in, right? Like, think of the ASPX code as the blueprint for your Acumatica screens. So she had to understand this blueprint, rearrange the elements, and even create new connections between them to achieve the client's vision.
So it sounds like you're saying it's almost like performing surgery on the software, very precise, very delicate.
Yeah, it does require precision and a deep understanding of how the different components interact. So in this case, split containers were used to divide the screen form views to display specific data fields and grid views to present the sales order details, in an organized table.
So basically, she built a custom designed control panel for managing all that sales order data.
Exactly, and the cool thing is it all updates dynamically. Like, as you select a different customer, all the other areas of the screen, the sales orders, line items, even the calculated totals instantly adjust.
Wow, so no more jumping between screens or running separate reports. It's all right there.
It's all there.
That's incredible. But is this level of customization, only for larger businesses with bigger budgets?
Not at all. That's one of the advantages of working with a company like Tiana Solutions. They have a diverse team of experts, each with their own specialties, that can tailor solutions to fit different business sizes and needs.
So you're saying they can create a custom solution, whether you're a small startup or a huge corporation?
Exactly, and they don't just focus on complex screen layouts. They can automate tasks or create custom reports, integrate with other systems, pretty much anything you can imagine within the Acumatica framework.
So many business owners are probably out there struggling with these inefficient processes, when a simple customization could make all the difference.
Absolutely. It's like having this hidden superpower within your Acumatica system just waiting to be unlocked.
And Tiana Solutions has the key.
They definitely have the experience and the expertise to help businesses tap into that power.
So they really are a one-stop shop for all things Acumatica customization.
And they offer a comprehensive suite of services to help businesses get the most out of their Acumatica investment.
So this really begs the question for our listeners out there.
What could a custom screen or automated task unlock in your business? I mean, could it be faster order processing, real-time insight into your inventory, or maybe even eliminating a tedious manual task that's been eating up your team's time?
Those were all really good points.
It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day and not even realize the possibilities that are out there.
That's true.
Sometimes all it takes is a fresh perspective and, the right expertise to identify those areas where just a little bit of customization can make a huge impact on your efficiency and your bottom line.
So it sounds like Tiana Solutions is really all about helping businesses uncover those hidden efficiencies, making their Acumatica system work smarter, not harder.
They're basically saying, don't settle for good enough. Let's make this system truly yours, perfectly tailored to your unique processes and goals.
Because if any of this is resonating with you out there and you're thinking, hey, I'm ready to explore how Acumatica customization can transform my business, I highly recommend reaching out to Tiana Solutions.
Yeah, give them a call at 678-910-2774.